Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to show you how to remove or change. Actually, I'm going to change it. That's it. Designed by Elegant Themes, powered by WordPress. I'm gonna change it to 2023.Estiak Ahmed. All rights reserved. Okay. So let's go to that. Go to our dashboard here and then find the theme extra. I'm using extra theme here. Theme options. And then we will go here option the builder advanced integration, maybe yes, integration, and here we will add some code. So for our first learning I have just written it away. If you wish to change something you can change it on here. Okay, 2023 Estiak Ahmed, all rights reserved. You can change it here directly. I'm just copying and pasting it here. Script jQuery function, under jQuery function just click on here, save changes, and then just refresh the page, and here we are, 2023 Estiak Ahmed, all rights reserved. So thank you all for watching this video. Bye.